Today we've got some exciting news for all you OnePlus fans. The company has officially revealed all the color options for its upcoming flagship, the OnePlus 15, and its sub-flagship sibling, the OnePlus Ace 6. And trust me, these new designs look absolutely stunning. So here's the scoop. OnePlus is all set to launch both phones in China on October 27, powered by Qualcomm's latest chipsets. The OnePlus 15 will run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, while the Ace 6 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it a super powerful yet slightly more affordable option. Now let's talk design, because OnePlus is switching things up this year. Gone is the signature circular camera module we saw on the OnePlus 13 and Ace 5. Both the OnePlus 15 and Ace 6 are rocking a new boxy camera design, giving them a sharper, more modern look. The OnePlus 15 will come in three gorgeous colors. Sand Dune, which is the signature shade with an aerospace-grade nano-ceramic metal frame. This one's lighter too, at 211 grams. Absolute Black, the brand's darkest finish ever. And Mist Purple, which adds a more fun, playful touch. Meanwhile, the OnePlus Ace 6 gets its own unique trio: Quicksilver, featuring bold Ace branding and a cool striped pattern, Flash White, and Competition Black, both with a clean matte finish. Now keep in mind, these colors are for the Chinese market, and the global versions could look a little different. Rumor has it that the OnePlus 15 will launch globally in November, while the Ace 6 might debut worldwide as the OnePlus 15R. So what do you guys think about these new color options and that boxy camera redesign? Are you Team Sand Dune or Team Mist Purple? Drop your favorite color in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest OnePlus leaks and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And I mean that literally, because it looks like OnePlus is going big on battery power this time. According to a new leak from the super reliable digital chat station on Weibo, the OnePlus 15 will feature a huge 7,300 mAh battery. Yeah, you heard that right, 7,300 mAh. That's a huge step up from the 6,000 mAh battery we got on the OnePlus 13. Now, OnePlus hasn't officially announced the launch date yet, but the brand has been teasing the phone recently, confirming a few details, including the use of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. But this latest leak gives us a much clearer picture of what to expect under the hood. Digital Chat Station reports that the OnePlus 15 will use a dual-cell battery design with two 3,575 mAh cells to reach that total 7,300 mAh capacity. This setup isn't just for show. It helps improve heat management and ensures super fast charging speeds. Speaking of charging, the phone is said to support 100-watt fast wired charging, and according to earlier reports, we can also expect 50-watt wireless charging. So basically, you'll be able to juice this thing up crazy fast despite the larger battery size. And get this, the leaker also shared that all three upcoming OnePlus models, the OnePlus 15, the Ace 6, and a rumored Turbo Edition, will feature flat BOE displays with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate. OnePlus has already teased that 165Hz spec, so that part seems pretty locked in. To put things in perspective, the OnePlus 15's 7,300 mAh battery is one of the biggest we've ever seen on a flagship, especially one that's not a gaming phone. The leak also mentions that the Ace 6, expected to launch globally as the OnePlus 15R, could pack a 7,600 mAh battery, while another turbo model might push that even further to 7,800 mAh. So yeah, it looks like OnePlus is done playing around. They're going all in on battery life and performance for their next-gen lineup. What do you guys think? Is a 7,300 mAh battery enough to finally make OnePlus the battery king of the Android world? Or do you think it'll come with some extra weight and thickness? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.